a volcano pumpkin cake.
Let's get started. For your recipe, you will need cinnamon, salt, and stevia, oat flour, pumpkin puree, 1 egg, almond milk, coconut oil, and vanilla essence. Mix all your dry ingredients together. And do the same with the wet ingredients. Mix, mix, mix. And now it's time to combine dry and wet ingredients. Don't forget to mix. At the end, they will look like this. It's time to place the mix in the microwave for 1 minute. After the minute is done, place the mix in the center of the microwave and add 15 extra seconds. After that, take it out, find a big plate and flip it. Final result, yummy! You can add coconut yogurt or any yogurt of your preference. Let us know what you think.